this here, Jason, store manager of Yardbirds, is like the biggest Weird Al fan ever. I'm exaggerating.
No, pretty big fan. I probably bought his tape way back when, right here at Yardbirds.
Why do you want to have Weird Al autograph signing at Yardbirds?
Well, I think Yardbirds is a pretty weird place, and Weird Al is pretty weird, so it'd be a perfect match. And I'd love a photo of Weird Al and the Yardbird together. It'd be so much fun. It'd go down in history.
For the top pie reasons, Al should come to Yardbirds. Pie, pie. Weird Al, we hereby solemnly pledge not to use you or your band as a lame claim to fame. We will not act overly familiar with you by reciting how much we intimately know about you from Wikipedia, or asking you repeatedly rude questions.
Like what happened to your mustache. We will
honorably endure
any and all security clearances
required by your personal militia.
So long as it is ethical and legal.
So long as it is ethical and legal. Okay, what do you think about the president? What is your favorite color? What do you think about Weird Al?
Visionary.
Visionary. Weird Al's visionary.
Simply seeming to defy gravity.
Do you like Weird Al?
I love Weird Al.
Do you want him to come back and perform at this fair?
I think that would be great.
Sweet. Alright, so why should Weird Al come back to the Northwest, John?
Because Weird Al has a corny and he makes the children smile.
Do you like Weird Al?
I like Weird Al because he uses his imagination with something that's already there, and he uses it on top of it to make it his own. I think it's incredible.
Hey, this is a nice gal here in Lewis County today, and why do you want Weird Al to come back?
I want Weird Al to come back because I miss his face and I want to sing along with him.
Awesome.
I will like this.
Aw, you are a sweetie. So do you like country music even if Weird Al changes the words?
For sure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
This man just learned of Weird Al today.
That's right.
And he's a proud Lewis County resident, aren't you, sir?
Tractor owner.
And tractor owner.
It'd
Sweet.
be nice to hear him here, that's right.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Why should Weird Al come back to Lewis County for an autograph signing?
Because we need him here. We need people that are unique and cool.
All right, unique and cool like hand-popped kettle corn. I'm sorry, that was a shameless plug. We promise not to use you as a lame claim to fame, Al. Like such as, we witnessed a American Idol contestant.
No.
Now that's a lame claim to fame. All right, well thanks, man.
20 million people were watching the Sullivan Show. Yeah, the driver was rocking his face, and he let it go.
But it's no polka. This is Lewis County.
He likes to be his run wrestling, serving good cookies.
Welcome to the... Why should Weird Al come back to the Northwest?
It's your brother that you've forgotten about here in Lewis County. You gotta come back and rescue me.
Do you know who Weird Al is? Do you want Weird Al to come back to the fair?
He's funny.
Do you want him to have a Wild West photo taken at your booth?
Most certainly.
Do you guys like Weird Al?
Oh yeah, everybody likes Weird Al.
Do you want him to come back to Lewis County Fair?
Yes, definitely.
All right, just checking. Thank you.
I promise I won't let anybody shoot a laser at him.
No laser shooting at Al. Yes.
He is so good.
He's a god to you. Why do you want Weird Al to come back to the fair?
Because it's the funniest man ever.
He who's tired of Weird Al is tired of life.
No, I like the the original old school polka.
Oh, polka face ain't as good.
The newer stuff I like because he's making fun of everybody.
So we need to like storm his Facebook and demand more old school polka. What do you think? Okay. What do you think of Weird Al, Kathy?
I just love his hair. I love his hair.
The new album, but I must say that Weird Al was definitely deserving of the Billboard #1 record.
Oh yes. There we go. Nice. Okay, now random question. Do you guys like Weird Al?
Yeah, Weird Al Yankovic or whatever.
Now why do you like Weird Al?
Because he's weird and he has cool music and like Yoda.
Oh yeah.
Yoda.
Yeah, he's fabulous.
He's fabulous.
Good style, entertaining. He seems like he'd be a nice person.
I'm Commander Shepard, and I want Weird Al to come here.
Ah, very nice. And Mr. Literal Four Eyes, what do you think? Or should I say 8 Eyes?
Well, I want him to come and play Gump, because that's my favorite Weird Al song.
Oh, why is Gump your favorite Weird Al song?
Well, it's not my favorite, but I like Eat It.
I'm so excited that our petition got in the paper that I'm doing a video in the bathroom. How tacky is that? I'm really weird. I wish Weird Al had come back because he's weird like me. We just love Weird Al so much.
So bored. Yeah, where's Weird Al? Maybe I'll just eat this camera.
This is Lewis County. We're weird too!
I'll be covered in tin foil. Awesome. I didn't actually think he'd do a Weird Al cover. This guy is not so bad.
That's some percussion right there. I'm Tucky. If I get bitten by a zombie, I'm probably not telling you no.